Hi, this is Craig Whalen. I'm going to show you really quickly how to access your iCloud drive on the web through your MacBook so that you can easily access the folders and the work that your students turned in through Schoolwork. So if you go to the top, you can, obviously type in iCloud.com, or you can even go a little bit further and go / iCloud drive / and then you wait for it. There it is. Put your username and password in like normal, like you would getting into your MacBook. Continue. You know all these tricks. Sign in. Stay signed in. I do. It's a waiting game. Usually takes this long. Okay, and then you're in. So I've saved quite a few things in here. If it ends up looking a little different, like this on your main screen, then go into your iCloud drive here, and then you'll find your different work that you've saved. Go into Schoolwork, and you can access any of your students' folders. And once you go into the work that they submitted, then you can see all of their work at the same time on your MacBook. All right, thank you.